Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting features of iOS 18, home screen customization. You can now place app icons anywhere on the home screen, change icon color and tint, resize widgets and more. In this guide, we'll show you how to customize the iPhone home screen in iOS 18 like a pro. With iOS 18, users can finally place app icon anywhere on the home screen. You no longer need to install blank widgets to achieve this. Long press anywhere to get into the jiggle mode and drag and drop the icons where you want to place them. The icons will stay where you place them and they won't auto align from top left as it was the case with previous versions of iOS. You can also use dark mode icons for all first party Apple apps. Long press anywhere on the home screen to start the jiggle mode and tap the edit button in the top left corner. Now, tap the Customize button. Choose the automatic option to automatically change the icons between dark and light mode. It will follow your iPhone setting to change the icon color. You can also choose the dark option to always display the apps in dark color even if you are using your iPhone in light mode. Similarly, choose the light option to keep the icons light even if your iPhone is in dark mode. You will notice there's also a tinted option. You can use this option to change the color of app icons. You can use the top slider to change the color and the bottom slider to adjust the intensity and saturation of the color. The benefit of using the tinted mode is that it applies the effect to all apps, even the third-party ones. My favorite thing about tinted feature is that it allows me to match the app icons to my iPhone wallpaper. To do this, tap the color picker tool in the top right corner. Now, drag the circle to select the color you want and lift off your finger. As you can see, all the app icons have been tinted with the color I selected. You will also notice a brightness icon in the top left corner. As far as I can tell, it darkens the wallpaper so your app icons stand out from the background. There's also a large app icon feature that enlarges all app icons by removing their labels. A good feature for people who have compromised eyesight. I wish Apple allowed us to remove app labels even in small size to give the home screen a cleaner look. Hopefully, they will introduce this feature in the later betas. Widgets have also received much needed improvement with the iOS 18 update. Previously, if you needed to change the size of a widget, you had to delete the current widget and add a new widget with the size you want. You no longer need to do that in iOS 18 as you can resize the widget on the fly. Let's add a widget and resize it to see how it works. I will long press on my iPhone home screen to start the jiggle mode and use the add widget button to add a small widget. You will notice that there's a drag handle at the bottom right corner. I can use this to adjust the widget size. If a widget is already added, simply long press to get into the jiggle mode and the drag handle will appear. You can also resize widgets using a long press gesture. Long press on a widget to open the contextual menu. You will notice 4 options. The last 3 options will change the widget size to small, medium and large. But what about the first option? That's where it gets even more impressive. Choosing the first option will replace the widget with its app icon. You can even do the opposite. Long press on any app that offers a widget and tap on any of the widget size to change the app into a widget. The last thing you need to know about home screen customization on iPhone is that when you use the tinted color option, it not only tints the app icons, but it also tints the widget. Since app developers have not had time to update the apps to accommodate these new features, you will notice weird dark tint effect that will make the widgets unusable. A workaround to solve this issue is to always use your iPhone in dark mode. If your widget supports dark mode, it will already have a dark background, so the tint effect won't affect its legibility. Remember, this is the first beta and developers need time to implement these features, so have patience and don't start pestering them on social media. And that's it for our guide on customizing your iPhone home screen with iOS 18. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Before you go, click here to find out other cool feature of iOS 18. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iOS 18 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.